G'day all, it's Colin from PC TLC and thanks for joining me. It's been a while since I've started this laptop. It's a Lenovo IdeaPad 110. I've been, as you know, on the trail of lightweight distros, and it's been a couple of months recording and trying out all these lightweight distros. So it's been a while. And this distro here, I put in here quite a long time ago. It was probably 6 months ago. It was on the beta, and then it went to... then it updated from beta, and I think once it updated, it was no longer beta at all. So this is what we have here. Nice little menu there. Right click on the desktop, and I've got some updates. It's ready to be updated. So that's what I want to look at today, is how the updates go after a couple of months. I know there's been some changes here in this desktop, so I'm keen to see how the changes go. I have themed it a little bit. Just thought I'd try something a little bit different. I have always been a little bit of a Windows themer, but haven't done that for a while, so I just thought I'd have a bit of fun with this one. And it's all looking good. Nice transparency there. So I've got some updates pending there. 2 available. Probably going to be quite a few updates coming through. So I'm going to update that and probably check it out. So keep your eye out on that one. And this is another desktop I've been waiting to look at because I haven't started this up for a couple of months either. So this is another desktop I've been wanting to see how the updates go with this one. Now, when I first installed this one, I had trouble connecting to the NAS drive. Well, it's not a NAS drive, it was a hard drive plugged into the modem, and I couldn't connect to it, but I made some changes to it. Yes, I had to make changes to the ezeesumbersmb.conf. And I'm going back a couple of months here, but I still sort of remember what I did. Let's just check it out. Under the global, I think it was, I've gone too far. So I changed this to client min protocol equals NT1. Now that didn't work at first, and I think there was a couple of updates a couple of months ago, and then all of a sudden it started working, so I could access my hard drive on the modem through the home network. So that all seemed to work pretty well. So I'm no doubt there's got to be some updates in this distro here, and we've got a sidebar there, and I'm quite interested in this distro. I like the way it looks, although the dark theme on some occasions sort of can look a little bit complicated for my eyes anyway. So they've got some dark areas here that sort of seem to break it up a little bit, but looks a little bit on the dark theme, just slightly crowded, but it's not too bad. Can't criticize it too much, I suppose. So I'm interested to do an update on this one as well and see how that goes. So we've got a task view there. So if we open a couple of things, so we have a few things open there. We do a task view. There's our task view there. That's how that works. And you've got your workspaces over here, so that's pretty handy. So you can move things around if you wish. Put them back over there. So that's not bad at all. So the 2 distros I was looking at a couple of months ago before I started the Lightweight Distro Challenge, and I want to see how they're progressing with their updates. And if you've been around Linux for a while, you should know what these desktops are. If you haven't, you might not be sure, so keep an eye out for it. I'll be updating them and having a quick look around those desktops. So that was a couple of desktops you can look forward to in the near future. I'm just wrapping up the Lightweight Distro Challenge, and I want to also look at these 2 desktops as well. So I hope hopefully they update okay and everything's honky-dory, and we'll have a quick look through the desktops. One I've looked at plenty of times already anyway, I just wanted to revisit and see how it's going. And the other one, I've had a little bit of interest in it for a while, and I want to run it for a little while, see how I like it. So anyway, look forward to those sometime soon. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.